Let us learn how to install a window AC step by step. Harish, closely observe the steps as done by Mr. Vyas.
Check the load-bearing capacity of the wall. You need to check the thickness of the wall with the help of a measuring tape. Ensure that the wall is not less than 5 inches thick. Do this check before taking an order, as the load-bearing capacity of the wall is of utmost importance while installing a window AC.
So boys, can you tell me why do we need to check the load-bearing capacity of the wall?
The unit is quite heavy, so we need to check that the wall should be capable of bearing the load of the unit, and that is why the thickness of the wall should not be less than 5 inches.
You are right, Harish. Let's see the next step.
Install the unit inside the wooden frame along with the outer aluminium frame. Make a wooden frame according to the dimensions of the outer cover of the AC. Check the dimensions of the wooden frame diagonally with the help of a measuring tape and tri-square. If the dimension of the frame is not proper, it may cause vibration or gas leakage during removing or inserting the window AC. Fix the wooden frame into the wall with the help of masonry work. Check the window AC frame diagonally for exact dimensions before the final fitting.
Now, who will tell me the reason for using a wooden frame inside the aluminum frame while installing a window AC?
I have no idea.
Jatin, can you tell me?
Aluminium frames are usually hollow and create vibration, so we use a wooden frame inside the aluminium frame to reduce the vibration sound.
You are absolutely right, Jatin. Now, let's move on to the third step.
Make sure that there is space on the sides of the outer casing vents. Provide a free space at the back and on both sides of the AC for easy air circulation.
Tell me, why should the outer casing air vents be kept totally open on both sides?
It's so simple. We keep the outer casing air vents totally open on both sides to provide fresh air through the vents so that the AC can function well.
Wow, I'm happy that you are learning the process so quickly. Finally, let's know the last step of installing a window AC.
Install the outer casing. To install, adjust the outer casing at a 5-degree slope towards the back with the help of a spirit level indicator. This is done to allow the water to drain out. Install the AC outer cover in the wooden frame with the help of a coach screw. Keep insulation between the wooden frame and the AC outer cover. Secure the outer casing to the unit using coach screws.
So, this is the process of installing a window AC. Now answer one more question. Why should we install the outer casing at a 5-degree slope?
Because this allows the water to evaporate. It also helps condensation by throwing water out or flushing off water by the condenser from the outer ring when the unit runs.
Absolutely right, Jatin. So, after installing and fitting the window AC frame, we need to make the unit ready for operation. So, let's know about how to make the unit ready for operation.